Hi, this is a video of me testing my smoke detector here at Dad's house. My dad's house. This is my dad's house. This right here is the model of the first alert. I don't know what that model it is. Oh, I'm gonna ask my dad right now. Dad.
What?
What's the model of this thing?
I don't know.
First alert. What?
You told me I don't have. Oh, I think I might delete it. Wait. No, I didn't. Hold on. Hit pause or start your video over again.
It's okay. It doesn't matter. Alright.
It's 7010B6.
Is this the test of the first alert? What is it?
7010B6.
This is the first alert test of the 7010B6.
Ready?
The first 7010B6 smoke detector.
Ready?
Here it goes.
It worked.
And now now we can move on to the upstairs. We're gonna go upstairs and just our other room.
You ready? Come on. Come on, Daily boy. No, stay lucky.
This is a carbon monoxide detector. Please write, comment, submit, or subscribe.